Hey guys, how's it going? How to automate daily tasks with Zapier AI. So first of all, go ahead and to your browser and sign up with your Google account or any other platform for that matter. And after you log in with your account, you can just go ahead and continue using your account. I'm already logged in. So now you can click show automation ideas and you can leverage AI to automate daily tasks. Let's have an example right here, automate daily tasks. Right, you can forward it right here, and you're gonna wait for a few moments to hear the answer, right? And you're gonna be able to change or here's your Zap. You can use a new event matching search, right, or Google Calendar, or send email. So in my case, I'm gonna delete that step, right? And as you can see, we were not able to generate a Zap with that input. So type right here, right? Workflow, you could try something like every day at 8 a.m. Let's say create automate daily tasks at 8 a.m. Right? Forward it. Or let's keep it general since they want an example. Right? And you can hit try it right here. And you're gonna be able to continue with those steps to create your daily tasks. You can click configure right here, follow the prompts, and you can fill as many fields for you as you can for every day and schedule by Zapier. So you get the gist. Just continue using calendar and Gmail. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.